Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Tenari guy here, back here with another video. Alright, we're at the shop right now. We took off the headers and everything. Just trying to figure out what the AC lines we're gonna run right now. Where to put them, where it goes. And then we got Jared over there cutting out his bumper. Let's go see that. Let's see those shocks that Jared just got. Shit. Hell yeah. Compared to those booty ass ones right there.
Right, dash in my car. Old pair of Oakley.
Alright, we finally picked up my manifolds. They got powder coated. See if it focuses. Straight up fire. And we got my hot side over here. My downpipes over there. Where's it at? Oh, it's over there somewhere. But let's see if it focuses. Yes, sir. This looks really good. Can't wait till this thing is done.
I don't know, I will.
Customer standing right here. Sure.
Baba Bowie.